I'ma head out then.
Big moves, I'm that dude. Bet I see you from the top, yeah, real soon. Looking down on the haters that I've been through. Told them I'll see you.
Video long little minutes I brought y'all a different kind of video, but anyway, we got the ceramics MD12K right here, brand new right here. So we got another one of these, but what happened on the last one, well, you know, of course you buy it off Amazon, you got the 30-day warranty or whatnot, 30-day return type deal. If anything happens, you can return it. But everything was playing good because we had two of these plugged up. Everything was playing good, but so one day you turn it on, then just one of them just started smoking real bad. The other one played just fine. Started smoking, I thought it was on fire. So what happened was it did what it did, and then it turned, of course it turned back on and kept playing, so everything was good. But you know, I just went on ahead and sent it back anyway because, like I said, it was fire hot on the casing right here. So I just went on ahead and sent it back. I don't know what it was, but the other one kept playing just fine. But anyway, we got the got a replacement here. Of course, they give you a Taramps decal right there. So yeah, everything is grounded well. You got the right voltage. Everything is perfect. So, you know, I guess that was just one of them type of deals. It could have happened any one of them. But so I'm gonna go ahead and get out here, and we'll be right back. Alright, guys, I got this Taramps. It's a clip light is what this is. It doesn't really say Taramps on the box unless you go to the back of the side of the box right here. But this just to tell you if it's clipping or it's on or unprotected or whatever the deal is. So it's pretty straightforward. It's got a like a telephone type cable. Trying to do this with one hand. Of course, y'all know I'll leave the link down below. Y'all can pick one up. It's got a pretty long cable. I picked it up on Amazon. Like I said, I'm gonna y'all use the link down below to support the channel. Don't cost you anything extra. But like I said, there it goes. It's pretty straightforward. It's like I said, it ain't nothing, you know, real fancy. Just get the job done. It's not a bass knob or nothing like that. But like I said, it's got a long cable to go to it. I'm gonna get it plugged up and let y'all see. And for nothing else.
Oh, so you couldn't put a bass knob?
No, you couldn't. It is all it's gonna do. All right, push the face, push it down. You turn the volume down. All right, guys, we got it going. As y'all can see. Hold on, wait a minute. Alright, the reason we got these different style of speaker cover, grill covers, speaker covers, whatever you want to call them, right there up there at the top, is to show you the different finishes that we that Cardio what is it, custom speaker pods has. And as y'all can see right there, that's not all of them, because I think they got some new styles or whatnot. But you can pick these up at customspeakerpods.com or use my link down below. To it'll give you directly a discount, or you can use code Basswithkev to get you a discount, like 10% and maybe 20%, depending on when you use it. So use code Basswithkev and you can save some money. But if you can look right there, you can see all the different styles. It's a different finish, even though it's a different pattern on it. It's a different finish on each one. So, you know, it's just, you know, I didn't just put it up there and, you know, just to, you know, just throw it up there. So it was just, you know, some, you know, they thought to do just to show y'all. So anyway, of course, y'all know to use the link down below. And all right, hold on, wait a minute. She told me to show y'all this. Of course, you can go to ineedcaraudio.com and it'll give you the discount right away. And of course, you can save 10% off. You can screenshot this. You can pause it. You know, whatever you need to do. And yeah, you go there and get what you need. And of course, y'all can go to cardioconnect.com, get all my merchandise right there. And of course, you know, and anything else you might need. So, all right. And what else we got to tell? Oh, okay. Yeah, she forgot y'all. She told me I need to tell y'all this too. I almost forgot. Of course, you can see all the different brands right here. There are more than just these right here on the website as well. You can get all the brands on one site, cardioconnect.com. You can pick all of that up. Of course, they got financing options on all of this right here. And discount codes, of course, will be at the top of the page. You use all my affiliate links or codes to support the channel or whatnot. So I sure appreciate y'all. Of course, y'all can see these right here, all of these on here. There will be more than just what's on here, of course. Of course, that's who built the enclosure in the white truck, Custom Audio by JD. So if you want to get that, you can go over there to Custom Audio by JD. You can search that online or Google it or whatever you may need to do. Or you can hit me up and I'll put you directly in contact with them either way. But of course, you can see all your favorite brands or whatnot. And by the way, if you're doing car audio, it don't matter the brand you run, just run something. Just stay involved and keep it going. You know, don't get caught up in none of the stuff that's going on, you know, because, you know, like I say, man, I don't get caught up in what my next door neighbor is doing. You know, whatever he doing is his business. It ain't got nothing to do with me. That's the way I look at car audio. Whatever somebody else doing, it ain't got nothing to do with me. And I just keep it just like that. You know, it's the same thing when you're at home in your everyday life. What the people around the corner are doing, they ain't really got nothing to do with you. So, you know, just the same thing. Treat it just like that. Don't get out of it because somebody else is arguing. That's okay. They'll be all right. I'm guaranteeing you. They'll be all right. They let time pass. They'll make ends meet. They'll probably make a couple $1 million together and they'll be just fine. All while you're still mad and you done got caught up in it for no reason. So don't even get caught up in that. They're gonna make a couple million later. It's gonna be just fine. If they don't, they're gonna still make some money. Everybody's still gonna make some money. It's still gonna be good. That's what it's about. Making money, having fun to them. Whatever they like to do. I don't know what it is, but if they doing this, they probably like it. So anyway, y'all keep going, man, and shop any of these brands right here on the website. If you go to any of these, you know, retailers, you know, you got your damn sound. It's WC Car Audio. Well, of course, that's Steve Me, same thing. Big Jeff, Sky High, any of that, man. You know, Showtime. I don't know where my Showtime stick is. We got a Showtime stick on here? I ain't see the Showtime one. We ain't got the Showtime on here, but we got to get it on here. We don't. We must have forgot. Anyway, we'll get it on there. And on this Sparked Innovations, you can use code, what is it?
BWKev.
Yeah, BWKev on that Sparked Innovations right there. Of course, y'all don't have to even go through all this going to the site directly. I got everything down below. And of course, you know, I got a link. I got a thing where you can pick that and it'll take you to Amazon. I'm going to do a video showing y'all how y'all can finance on Amazon in case y'all didn't know how to do that. It's a little drawn out, but I'm going to show y'all how to do that. You know, just in case. I know a lot of folks don't want to just spend the money directly. And they want to save some money up front and then pay it over 90 days, same as cash. That way it don't cost you nothing, you know. Maybe a finance charge like 50 bucks or whatever, I don't know, some small. So, you know, you can save money still. I'm gonna show y'all, I'm gonna make that video and show y'all how to do that too if y'all wanna interested in financing on Amazon. If that's not, if you're not, you know, wanting to shop on one of these brands or nothing like that, but I'm gonna show y'all how to do that too. Like some of these links like this, it may take you to an Amazon link on my Amazon store, and it'll you better get whatever you know, whatever you need. So Of course, Showtime Electronics is not up here, but you can go to Showtime Electronics. You can put in code Basswithkev as well, and you can save over there too. There's a few others, I think. Hopefully, we got a few more coming, but I don't know. We might be where we at. But anyway, use code Basswithkev or BWK, cardioconnect.com, and get everything you need at caraudioplug.com and take you there too. And make sure you pick up some merchandise, shop Basswithkev.com, or either go to cardioconnect.com on there as well and pick Basswithkev merch, and it'll be right there. And it's all affordable. So appreciate y'all for tuning in, and we're gonna have this thing playing here pretty soon. So yeah, man, and we're gonna keep it going, man. And shout out to Uncle Al for you know, he kind of stepped away from the game for a little while, and he wanted me to, I bought them subs from him, and he wanted me to have them. So he, you know, of course, he gonna sell them to me as my brother. He always gonna look out for me. So he sold them to me, and I've been had them. So we built this, me and my old lady, we built this sub this enclosure right out here in the yard. So it ain't nothing fancy. We just, really, it's like an under $100 enclosure, really, to tell y'all the truth. Cause what happened was we went to this little shop where we went to last time, and we bought, how much we paid for that wood? Like $50 or something? Yeah, like $50. He gave us a whole bunch of $50. It was warped. Some of it was wet. It had all its own little issues. Like some of it wasn't even 3/4. It was just whatever. But he gave us so much of it for a little bit of nothing. So we just went on ahead and went with it. And that's what we did. And so some of the pieces wasn't right, but we made the best of it in this plan. So we're gonna roll with that, you know. So of course, we're gonna have some more stuff we're gonna do to it, but we're trying to get a little box design, and we got to get some amps and alternators and all of that other stuff for the white truck, and we're gonna be back in business. And yeah, we're gonna be back going. Y'all be sure to like and subscribe. We're gonna see y'all back on the next one. I ain't gonna ramble too long. And as usual, man, hit the notification bell. I'll see you back on the next one.
You got the right equipment that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out caraudioConnect.com and shop Basswithkev.com for top cardio brands. I appreciate your support.